So first, instead of trying to completely start over, I would try and see if there's anything salvageable. So I would probably message or do a post in the community that's like, "Hey, anyone in here?" Question mark, question mark, and then something along those lines. Just kind of get the uproar going. Something that's exciting that leaves an open loop. Hopefully, another thing you can do is with that post, you can email it out and also mention that there's either something in the comments or attach a Loom video covering some sort of update for the community. Reason for that is if someone goes to the email, if you just have a text post, then they can read it and stay in the email completely, which isn't useful to you because then they're not going to come back to school. With including a video like Loom onto your post or putting something in the comments and saying that in the post, they'll see, oh, I wonder what's in the comments, and then they'll come back to school. So that's a small thing you can do, and basically gauge how many responses that you actually get. So let's say you have a community that's 1,000 people in there. If only 10 people respond, then maybe it's not so useful, right? Another note is with these bigger communities, it's probably useful just to keep it for the social proof. So if I have a community that's 10K members and it's completely dead, maybe you even archived it, that's perfectly fine to bring back because ultimately in any community, there's just 10 regulars, right? Those are the 10 people that everybody sees. It doesn't really matter if 9,800 of those members are completely dead. Most people will look in the community if 10 people are active and be like, wow, this is really active. So in those type of situations, you can just bring people in, get them active, and then you're chilling. In terms of when you should restart, you can just restart if none of the options I just laid out work. Thank you for watching the video. Go to the description and click the first link. And then that way we can have a call about why your Skool community isn't growing as fast as you want it to.